Welcome to this demonstration on how external users can complete the CV form through the Declaration of Interest and CV portal. In this demo, we've sent an email to a specific user requesting their CV. By following the link in the email, you'll be redirected to the portal. The CV form is structured into several sections, beginning with the General Information tab and ending with a final step to confirm the submission. Starting with the General Information tab, you'll notice that the contact's full name is pre-populated from the Declaration of Interest application. Now, let's proceed to complete the mandatory fields. First, select the title, then fill in the nominated or appointed by field, and finally, the nationality. Once these fields are completed, click on Next. You'll now be redirected to the next tab, where you'll add your education information by clicking Add Details. This opens a new window where you'll provide the necessary details. If the education is ongoing, select Yes for the current field, and the Until Month and Until Year fields will be hidden. Next, fill in the From Month and From Year fields, followed by the Organization field. Additional information can be added in the Description field if desired. Once you're satisfied with your input, click the Submit button. The window will close, and the new record will be visible in the list. You can edit or delete it by clicking the arrow on the right side of the record. Additional education details can be added by clicking Add Details again. Clicking Next will take you to the Relevant Employment tab. Similarly to the Education tab, click on Add Details to add your employment information. If the employment is ongoing, select Yes, which will hide the Until Month and Until Year fields again. Once you have added all your employment information, click Next. The following tab is Relevant Fields of In-Depth Expertise. To add information, click the Add Details button. In the new window, enter the specific area of expertise and provide a detailed description. You can add as many areas of expertise as needed, and as with previous sections, you can edit or delete records as necessary. By clicking the Next button, you'll be redirected to the Membership of Relevant Professional Bodies tab. Here, you'll find a text area to add any memberships in relevant professional bodies. The next tab is Other Relevant Information, where you can include any additional information you'd like to be included in your CV. Following that, there's the Summary tab, allowing you to review all the information you've added. If you need to add more information in a specific section, you can do so by returning to the respective tab. If satisfied, proceed to the final tab, Confirm Submission. Here, check the Confirm Submission box and click Submit at the bottom of the page. Once completed, a thank you for submitting your CV message will appear on the screen. After the CV is verified by the European Chemical Agency, it will be published on its website. It's important to note that you can update your CV at any point by accessing the provided link. Additionally, to successfully submit the CV, you must navigate through all the tabs and resubmit the CV at the end. This concludes the demonstration. Thank you for your attention.